Hello, how are you doing? We've been out for a bit of a paddle, got back and I'm hungry. The boys have already started cooking. I'm going to be trying out this Biolite Campstove today. Turn fire into electricity. I don't know whether I'll be using it to charge my phone or anything, but I might test that out. And the reason I bought this was because it uses a similar kind of fuel to my little Messer stove, the solo stove. And I've got a load of that, so I thought, do you know what, I've been itching to try one of these for a while. Let's give it a go. Going nicely. In El Ridge Monkey we've got some potatoes and bacon. I've got a couple of eggs to go in as well. Posh breakfast, unlike this heathen. I'll do a more in-depth review of this thing because I do quite like it. I bought it, as I say, because I thought it'd be similar to the mess stove. But yeah, my dinner's cooking nicely. I've got the fan on full just to burn that off, because it does have fan control on here. So I'm not sure what that one is yet, but that's got 3 little red lights on at the minute. That's your fan control, and there's the control button for that. It always stores a bit of power, because this is a power bank, to operate the fan. So there's a USB under here, so for charging your phone, that kind of stuff. And that's your power light, so this is charging up now. But it will always save some power to power the fan. Clever, really. Alright, that's all for this. This is just a short video. I'm going to scoff this soon and bugger off because it's starting to get a bit drizzly here. So you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this Biolite Campstove, by all means let me know in the comments. Alright, you take care. Cheerio!